Hey guys, welcome to another stream. Happy Wednesday. I'm so excited today. I don't even know why, but I kind of like how everything it's moving. Okay, let's go through my watch list. So, my watch list today is TSM, Google, Nvidia, 3M, and AI. My favorites so far are 3M, Google, and I will say AI. AI is looking great. So I think AI, Nvidia, and AMD and TSM could move because yesterday on the Microsoft earnings, they say that they are gonna invest a lot on AI. So I think Nvidia is looking hot. AI is looking hot. I love Google, the 130 level. If Google holds 130, it's 129, 130, it's extremely bullish. The only thing that I don't know if I'm gonna trade Google is if the premiums are still too high, if IB is too high, because most of the time when I trade earnings is I wait for at least 1 day after. So that's why I like 3M right now, because 3M had earnings um yesterday pre-market. So it already made the gap up. The premiums today are should be like low, like normal, back to normal. It showed me a clear support, clear resistance, clear trend. So I prefer to play earnings like after like 1 or 2 days after. So so I'm not sure if I'm gonna play Google, but so far it looks very good. I wanna see it holding the support here. Kava, I'm not gonna play Kava today. You guys know that I'm holding Kava. I got more yesterday on my main account. It's the only thing like I'm really like I have like a big position and I'm swinging from yesterday. It's the only thing that I'm swinging like a lot. I have a lot of Kava on my main account, and I have like 4 or 5 contracts on the small account. So Kava is one that I'm just gonna be watching, but I'm not gonna trade anything there. So yeah, Nvidia is already going. So Nvidia, I have Nvidia here above, like I said here. Nvidia is looking very strong. Pre-market low hold is I'm bullish if can hold pre-market low, but above 460 I'm extremely bullish. So Nvidia 460, it is a key level there. Key level. Nvidia is already running. So I'm gonna put Nvidia here. I'm gonna have Kava here, but you guys won't be able to see it. But Kava is looking very good. It's kind of looking according to my plan. Nvidia, it's running already. The thing that I don't love today is that SPY and QQQ, um, I don't like where they are. Like, for me today, SPY, the key level to watch is 454. It was resistance before. Now it acted as support yesterday. I want to see it acting as support today, at least in the morning, because afternoon, after like lunch, anything can happen. Because we have Powell speaking at 2:30, and but the FOMC start at 2. So I don't think levels are gonna matter much at that time. But in the morning, which is when I'm gonna be trading with you guys, um, um, so yeah, 454 on 454 on SPY, QQQ it's a little bit more difficult because it's in the middle of support and resistance. Like, yeah. So my support on QQQ is around 376, 375.50, which is the support here, support here, support here, here too. And the clear resistance that we have with QQQ is 380. So, and it's right now it's in the middle. So either it's gonna go to 380 and reject there, or it's gonna go back down to 376 and hold or lose it, or lose that support. So QQQ it's kind of in the middle. And I think it's right, it's like that because we have some tech stocks that are going high, like a lot, like Meta and Nvidia, they're both green, and we have other stocks and Apple, I think it's green too, or it's just flat. And we have other stocks like Microsoft, Snow, and some others that are down a lot. So I think that's why QQQ is kind of in the middle. So I would like to trade something that is going with the market. So if I'm playing calls, I would like the market or at least QQQ to go go higher, not lower. So I don't really love playing against the market, but I think I might do that today because if I'm looking something like AI, Nvidia, Google, those names look very bullish. And if I see QQ going down, it's gonna be a little bit difficult for me to hold those positions. Um, so yeah, I want to see if I would love to see QQQ going higher and maybe break 380. I don't know. I don't know. But let's see. Okay, so we're starting. Let's see how this is gonna move. By okay, Baidu. You guys remember Baidu? We were talking about Baidu yesterday, but I like more Google right now. I'm getting Google like calls weekly 131. They're very cheap. I don't know why. And I just got filled there. Yeah. I like Nvidia too. Look Nvidia how it's opening here. The 460 support on Nvidia is looking great. We want to see Nvidia holding 460. And I want to see Google holding 129. AI is holding 40 also. Ooh, that's an ugly rejection on Nvidia. I like 3M also. QQQ is looking weak there. If QQQ loses pre-market low, it's gonna go to at least 376. Okay, 3M is going, and I think I missed my entry there. Okay, so tech is looking very weak right now. Let's see if I can get a little pullback on 3M. I'm getting ready to take the 111 call weekly, but I don't like that reaction on Google. Okay, that's definitely, I don't want to see that on Google, but I want to see Google holding 129, but it's looking very weak. And QQQ is also looking very weak. SPY is holding. Let's see, I'm gonna be patient here. I think I enter in too fast because you guys know that most of the time I don't enter like that fast. I always wait for for a clear direction. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so QQQ lost yesterday's low. That's very bearish. And that's not gonna help Google. But Google is still holding there. $3M. Okay. Approaching 200 SMA. Thank you. We can have a choppy day today. Yeah, Google is definitely weak compared to QQQ. Yeah, I think I missed my entry on 3M. Let's see if can go back down to VWAP. I put an alert there. Let's see what Baidu is doing. Baidu can do a 3-bar play here. I want to see Baidu go down here and retest VWAP. SPY is looking stronger than QQQ. Getting out of Google. Well, I'm gonna wait. See if cannot hold this low, I'm getting out. Okay, I'm adding to my Google position. Okay, let's see. But I do kind of feel like it's stuck here. I'm getting the 150 by do weekly. Yeah. I'm long on Google. I'm long, but if cannot hold this morning low, I'm gonna get out. I'm long on Google and Baidu. I'm looking for Baidu to do a 3-bar play here on the daily. BA, and I don't like trading BA. BA, it's all we have like weird news out of nowhere, so I will not. I don't like trading BA. Yeah, I did got I got the 150 weekly on Baidu. If it is 150, it's obvious that it's calls, not puts. Okay, let's see. The market's kind of fighting there. It's trying. Okay, watch Nvidia here. Nvidia 450 level, just like yesterday. This could turn. Like SPY is looking very bullish here. I like the four, like if, like I like this risk to reward here on SPY. Like literally you can enter here and have your stop loss under yesterday's low, or you can wait a little bit and see if it goes down and then take calls here because the risk to reward is very good. Yeah, that's a clear rejection on QQQ. That's not gonna help my Google Play, but so far it's holding. This is why I like Google. Look, these wicks here, that's your previous resistance. So if Google can hold the support, this resistance here as support is very bullish. Okay, okay, I love this. Okay, that's very bullish on Google. SPY is gonna go. Kava is what um at 52. I don't have PT on 3M. Today I don't have a PT on anything. I'm just gonna go with how it's moving and then yeah, just manage my position on the way. Like I don't have PTs. Like well, Baidu I do. It's yesterday high, it's my first one. But for 3M, I don't have PT because 3M it's moving thanks to earnings, good earnings. So yeah, I don't have PT on Baidu on 3M. AI, it held 39 and it's looking very good. Oh, nice, Thomas. Very happy for you guys. Very happy. Yeah, I didn't ask you who print on UPS, but UPS was a beautiful, beautiful trade. Yeah, I love these move on Google. I like it. I know it's on their uh pre-market low, but I like this reaction here. It's extremely bullish. 3M is going. 3M is going. I missed the entry here, but 3M is looking very, very good. Ooh, look Kava. Kava is gonna boom boom. Look Kava. The small account is gonna eat. If Kava goes higher, yeah, yeah. Google is looking great. Kava is looking amazing. Very strong. Going according to the plan. Oh yeah, that could definitely could affect Kava. So if Kava goes to 54, I'm gonna get a lot of profits there. 54, it's your double top all-time high. It's a little bit above 54. It's almost 55, like 54.50. But yeah, around a little bit above 54, I'm gonna get a lot of profits there. So that way, whatever happens after I take profits here, I'm still gonna be green. Yeah, Google's looking amazing. Nice. Triple M looks very good. Okay, I want to see that on Google. Google like failed here to go lower, and this candle is very like it's an engulfing candle, bullish engulfing. Now it's back above pre-market low. Yeah, Google is gonna boom boom. And even more, this thing is gonna fly if QQQ turns around. Watch Nvidia around 450. What is TSM doing? Because TSM is in a very weird position because it's trading between the two gaps. Like it has a big gap above and big, even bigger gap below. It's looking very weak. Yeah, Kava. I hope Kava can go to 54 today, so we can take profits there before Chipotle's earnings. SPY is looking extremely bullish. Let's see if we can break pre-market this resistance here, pre-market resistance, and then this one. Boom boom. I love saying that because it's literally what happened. It's boom boom. It's gonna boom boom. Yeah, so yeah, Google looking amazing. Baidu also so far is looking great. We just need Kava to go higher and we're good. So let's see what's strong right now. Ooh, coin's crazy strong. What's with coin? I'm so glad that I closed my coin position before market open. I'm sorry, before the market close. What's with coin? Well, it's again at 100. Like coin 100, it's been fighting that 100. 100, 100, 102. It's fighting there. I don't I'm not gonna try this because I honestly don't really like this chart. But if the market goes weak, we can like for puts, coin can do you can do exactly the same trade that we did yesterday. But I think QQQ is trying here. But yeah, it's coin, it's right at resistance. You can use yesterday high as your stop loss. If you think QQQ is gonna go lower. Mm, the market is moving slow. Ooh, okay, okay. So if we have, thank you, George. So if we have news coming, like crypto news coming, I will not trade coin. So QQQ is using uh Fridays. I'm sorry, this is Monday. This Monday support and also yesterday's low. FDX. Um, what is UPS doing? Ooh, UPS, I want to see UPS consolidating here. If you guys watch my end of the day recap yesterday, you know that I want to see UPS like holding 183, 184. And I think that's very bullish. But I want to see UPS kind of consolidating here and give me like a clear support. FTX. No, yeah. Mm. So what's your next resistance here? Oh, it's above resistance. You have resistance here. 366. I'm sorry, 266. Spy, watch a spy. Spy looks like it wants to go. And your next one, it's here. It has a little gap to fill to 272, 273. Okay, yeah, it's looking great. Mm. Baidu, definitely a 3-bar play. Watch AI. AI, guys, I think AI can go. Your next big resistance on AI is 42 and then 44. Is there anything that you guys are trading besides coin? I'm sorry, Google or Kava? Mm, Boeing, BA, SQ, BA, nice, nice. AI, yeah, AI is looking great, looking very, very good. Look, AI held did exactly that what Google did. Like when failed to win lower and then held here, made like a flag above resistance, and yeah, it's looking very bullish. It's even looking better than Google because AI doesn't really follow much QQQ. Meta, Amazon, your Amazon puts or calls. Yeah, Amazon is filling the gap from yesterday. Be uh be careful there with the gap. New Visa. I don't like Visa because yeah, it's at support, but it's rejecting the gap. So no, I don't like Visa here, and I don't like what Kava is doing right now. I don't want to see Kava doing that. But we'll see. I want to see Kava holding 51. Nvidia is kind of weak. Morning. Baidu. It's flying here. I'm gonna take some profits here at this resistance. Clear resistance there. Yeah. Shop. Mm. Yeah, it's looking shop daily. It's looking amazing. Yeah, I think shop. It's looking very, very good on the daily chart. You wanna see it breaking this downtrend, but holding 65 is very bullish. Yeah, it's looking great, but it's either gonna break out here or it's just gonna go a little bit and then tomorrow it's gonna consolidate around 65. Ooh, I don't like Kava there. I wanna see Kava holding here. I don't like this daily candle so far on Kava. Yeah, QQQ is definitely turning around. But it has a lot of resistance here. It has resist like morning high and then 378.50 also. I don't know what you said about Kava. What did you say about Kava yesterday? Let's see, let's see. Um, mm, I don't know. It doesn't look like a bull flag. It looks just like it's going up. Where do you see the bull flag? I don't see a bull flag here. On T-Dog. Maybe I'm not seeing it. Okay, that move very, I like that move on QQQ. We want to see QQQ breaking morning high. Like before, SPY was looking way better than QQQ. Now, QQQ looks way better than SPY. Let's see. Okay. So we're getting rejection on QQQ of pre-market high. I think SPY needs to retest 454. And I think we might just get like a choppy day, choppy morning, choppy like day before FOMC. Yeah, honestly, I wanted to skip. I didn't want to trade today because I don't like trading when we have like um FOMC. No, I'm not gonna stay for Powell. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna stay here for that. I don't even like trading on FOMC days. Most of the time it's just choppy in the before FOMC, and then you have like crazy move out of nowhere, and yeah. So I prefer to wait until the next day to see um what's the clear direction for the week. But I wanted to see how Kava it was gonna move today because I the only thing that I care honestly it's Kava holding 51. 60%. Congrats, David. That's a good one. That was a good one. No, I don't play the VIX. No, never, honestly. I don't even check the VIX. How do I identify gaps? Very easy. You just go to the chart. Let's just say TSM. TSM has big gaps. Like, I'm gonna um, clear this. Like, don't you see a gap here? Like, there's nothing here. So that's a gap. And then there's nothing between these two candles. That's a gap there. And then look this. That's another gap here. Like, there's a huge gap here. So it's very easy to check gaps, to see gaps. And then I just put it blue because, oh yeah, that's the way that I see. Like, it's easier for me to check my charts and know what like important things on my chart. Gaps are very important, and then support and resistance. So as long as um Google is holding this and support here, I'm gonna be in and I'm gonna hold. here in Miami, it's raining. Right now, it's raining a lot. It's like, and it's so dark. I feel like I'm trading at night right now because outside it's pitch black. Okay, I love this Kava move here. Really like that Kava move. Okay, so I think we're good. We're good. As long as Google is holding here, I'm good. As long as Baidu is holding VWAP and INEMA, either or, it looks good. As long as Kava is holding 51, it looks good. AI is holding. Mm, oh, let's see how is the small account doing because it has Kava. I'm just gonna put it like this. Um, where's the login? I think it's here. Okay, so I open I put this new section on the Discord where you guys can see me like updating how the small account is doing. You can see here all my positions and monthly gains or losses, and you can see here that's the only time that I put money in this account was when I opened it. The $500 that I opened this account. So okay, so yesterday at around like 40 minutes before the market closed, I had this position, and then before market closed, I add another Kava contract. Um, it's probably maybe down. I don't know. I don't know, but I got a very good entries. It's down $10. So one position is down $10, the other one is flat. Yeah, I have 460 calls and I have 155 call. And I only have $352 to play with. I feel like adding another 55 call here. I have, oh, but I don't have money for that because it costs 360 and I only have 352. So I can't add one more. Maybe I could add another one here. I have something really weird. Whenever I like to have contracts that are paired. Like right now, I have 5 contracts. I feel kind of like freaking out because I either want to have 6 or 4, but I don't I don't like having impair. I don't like holding impair amount of contracts. So I kind of feel like adding one more so it can be 6 contracts in total. But at the same time, I don't want to add another one because I don't want to have the entire account in just one play, even though I love this play. Oh yeah. Oh, now it's up $25. But yeah, so This is what I'm holding on the small account, and I'm gonna update on the Discord at the end of the day. I'm not gonna buy anything else on it. I like the Kava play. I think that's an A plus setup, and I don't see anything else that I love. No, it's just like it's just me being crazy that I like having like per numbers, like the per amount of contracts. In pair freaks me out. I have to have like either 20, 24, 22, 20. Having 21 or 23 contract, it freaks me out. It's weird. I know I'm weird. But yeah, that's what I have. And yeah, like I said before, I'm gonna take some profit here around 54. That way I can lock profit and I can hold it like with less risk, and I will be more chill because mentally doing a small account challenge is very challenging. Like it's very stressful, and even more stressful when I have people watching me. Okay, so QQQ, it just needs to break here, like pre morning high, so everything can move freely. Okay, I like this reaction on Google because it's moving without QQQ, so that's very bullish. Let's see what's very strong. Oh, CRM, strong. AI kind of. Meta is just at 300. I think Google maybe don't do anything. Like if you see like past let's go with 3M. So 3M have a big gap up, and then that day, let's go here. So it had yesterday after earnings, it had a big gap up, but the rest of the day, like didn't do anything, just consolidated the entire day. And I like that. I like when a stock consolidate after a big gap up because for me, that's saying that it has more room to go. So maybe we have that with Google. Maybe it doesn't do anything. By the way, 3M is looking very like it's looking bullish. Baidu is rejecting again 151. I want to see it holding VWAP. This is why I don't like trading on FOMC days because it's the moves are so boring and so choppy and nothing doing nothing. Everything doing nothing. I was really, really thinking I'm not waking up because here is raining a lot, and The day is extremely dark. It's like pitch black. And we have FOMC today. My bed was so cozy. Like I wanted to stay in bed. But I was like, ooh, I have the stream. I have the stream today. Yeah, like before doing the stream, I used to take the day off on FOMC. On any like big news day. It's just like I don't think it's like worth it. Even though I think SPY is looking very bullish, but it's not like moving. Thank you, Brian. Thank you. Oh, and how crazy it was yesterday that I said like 1,000 times. I really think QQQ is gonna go to 380, and it just went like I left, like I closed the stream, and the market like just went up the rest of the day and went to 380 and then rejected. I was like, ooh, I missed these entire moves that I knew it was gonna go. Like I knew QQQ was gonna go to 380. I don't know if Tesla's gonna go down soon. Like if the market is going up and Tesla is going up, so, no, Tesla is very bullish. In fact, I really, really like this Tesla. Um, I like that Tesla chart. The daily is looking very good. Let's see how our Tesla contract, because I like that. I like Tesla. I like that chart. I love that chart. So it's kind of resistance here, but if it's holding the support that I have here, yeah. Okay, I love the Tesla chart, but I don't want to trade anything else. I'm gonna lock my profits on Baidu. I'm 7% up. I'm just gonna sell that. I don't like how it's looking, but yeah, I got 7% on Baidu. Ooh, I like Tesla. I like Tesla. But yeah, no, I'm gonna take anything else. Bye. Bye, Baidu. I really like Tesla here. This daily chart's looking like very bullish. But I'm gonna close Tesla because I don't want to feel tempted to trade more things. I think I'm more than good with having money on Google and Kava. I don't think today is a day for me to risk more money on the market in the market. So very happy with Kava, what Kava is doing, and I have a lot of contracts on Kava. So yeah, I'm not gonna take anything else. And the market is choppy. It has like SPY has a lot of wicks at the top and wicks at the bottom. Right now it's looking bearish. QQQ is in the middle of nowhere. So So. I don't see anything that I love. I do like beside that Tesla daily chart. Yeah, I don't like anything that that I don't love. Like there's nothing that I will say, yeah, I gotta have it. I gotta enter this one. No. The only thing is Kava, and I already have a lot of contracts there. This is a boring ass day or morning. There's how can I explain that tag? That's impossible to explain. Like it's a YOLO. The like YOLO, it's like YOLO people choose whatever they want. And YOLO has like no explanation. What I do with everything, I just take contracts like strikes that I think it might go like near a support or resistance. What are you asking that? Like are you which one you want a YOLO? You want a YOLO meta? I don't know why, but I have a feeling that meta uh yeah, YOLO is gambling. So I have a feeling that meta is gonna kill the earnings. In fact, I have a YOLO meta, but it is like extremely cheap. And I don't recommend it because it's way out of the money that I got like no last week, I think. But I think like the thing that you need to remember is like right now, if you want a YOLO meta, right now the premiums are very high. So if you wanted to YOLO meta, you needed to enter like a week before when the premiums were like normal. For getting anything right now, like any meta strike, your I know it's a YOLO, but your risk is like way extremely high. How's the IV on meta? Let's see. The IV is 140, almost 150%. Let's see how much are the 400. 400 weekly, the IV is 143%. So the IV, it's extremely high. Like normal IV, it's lower than 70. No, Victor. I sold yesterday before close. I had a 50% on coin. And I don't know if you are on my Discord, but on the end of the day video recap that I did last night, I explain here. I explain what I'm holding, why, how was my coin trade, when I sold coin. I explain my coin trade. Yeah, everything's like rejecting. Like Baidu definitely rejected that level. Nvidia is looking weak. Triple N 3M is looking weak. AI is rejecting there also. Like nothing is looking good. I know, right? Where are the likes? Let's see what else. UPS is going. It's looking strong so far. Let's see FTX. This is so boring. Like this is why I don't like trading days like today. FedEx could go higher because it's holding like previous resistance and support, but I will not enter like anything, like nothing today. Visa is holding very good, rejected the gap fill, but if you can hold here, it's bullish. Microsoft is dying. Meta, it's not doing nothing. It's doing nothing. Apple is holding very good. Apple, I think, is the only one that is looking great, and kinda looks like a flag here, maybe, but it's too close to resistance for me. What's coin doing? Coin's looking bullish so far, but I will not enter coin. Pound. Oh yeah, pound's looking. I like this pound move here. That's very bullish, and it's an engulfing candle at support, so that's very very bullish. Google is looking weak. What else? What's Snow doing? Nothing. Mm, mm, mm. I already checked Visa. HD. Ooh, HD is very strong. Did a break and retest here. Why? I don't see this. Moderna. Mm. Like intraday, it's kind of looking good because it's bouncing and now it's above VWAP, but daily, I don't like the daily because the daily just keeps doing lower high, lower high, lower high, and lower low, lower low. It's at support here, the 120 support. But yeah, I don't see anything right now. Unless it change here and go and regain the 123 support and use it as support. But now it's acting as resistance, so no, I don't see anything on Moderna right now, honestly. With these, like this daily candle here, yesterday's candle was ugly. Today opened below yesterday's candle, which is bearish. So yeah, I don't see anything on Moderna, honestly. Nothing that I like. Ooh, that's ugly. Google, definitely weak. I don't like that move. It's rejected pre-market high. TSM. Yeah, TSM, but I will not trade TSM here. TSM, it's either at 100 and use it as support, or it's at 97 and use it as support. But here it's like in the middle of nowhere. In fact, I think TSM can go to 100 and maybe it's a good opportunity to take puts. But TSM, what it is right now, don't like it. Walmart. I don't know. I don't. I honestly don't know. As long as it's holding this support here, it's bullish. Like, I don't see much here. Like, there's nothing on this chart that I love. The only thing, like, I see that the A58 support, that was a good entry here. But it's looking bullish. Like, it broke the 158 resistance, so that's bullish. But yeah, I don't see anything else. And if you are in calls, just follow the 90 MA or VWAP. CMA? I don't even know what's that. Like, I think right now it doesn't matter what I said about the chart. The market is not doing anything. So if you have SPY and QQ chopping around, like most of your trades are gonna do nothing. Like CMA, it's doing kind of like a flag, but it's kind of looking like a weak flag. You want to see it holding VWAP pretty much. Or yeah, you want to see it holding this high, yesterday high, like this week. You want to see it holding yesterday's daily week, because here is resistance. You have resistance here, and right now it's a resistance. So yeah, if it breaks this resistance and use it as support, it's gonna go easy to this candle high. But the weekly is very bullish, and oh, it has a gap here. So yeah, it's well, I will say if we didn't have FOMC, I will say it's definitely gonna fill the gap. But with FOMC, I don't know what this is gonna do. But yeah, the entry was here at 48, around 48, 48.50. That was the entry. But and kind of looks like a flag here on the daily also. So yeah, I think this looks like it wants to fill the gap. But today, I don't know what it's gonna do today, because you guys can see how the market is moving. I don't like what Kava is doing there. Okay, so today, I don't think I'm not gonna do anything today, anything else. So I'm only holding Google and Kava. As long as Kava is holding 51, I'm gonna hold this one. As long as Google is holding this morning low, I'm gonna hold Google. That's my stop loss on Kava and Google, and I'm not gonna trade anything else. This is too boring for me to stay here. So yeah, guys, I'm done for today. Like, I don't like anything. Like, this is extremely boring. Like, I knew that I needed to skip today. Like, I don't see anything that I like, and I don't think any of you should be trading right now. Look this, when you have a market like this that is doing nothing, no matter how good your TA is or your chart is telling you like something looks bullish or extremely bearish, you're it's not gonna do anything with the market like this. We need a clear trend on the day for anything to move. But yeah, I'm I'm done here. Like, thank you guys for being here. I'm just extremely bored. So, yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.